Hello guys, today we want to show how to transpose in a games theory and also use dominance rule to reduce the size of matrix to 2 by 2 for ease of computation. So because we have so many ways of resolving games issues. We have the linear programming method, we have the analytical method, we also have the graphical method. But for ease of computation, it is always advisable, to bring it down to 2 by 2 game so that you'll be able to employ the techniques of the analytical techniques in resolving it and all that. So, and first thing we do in situation like this is to find out where are the players placed. Are they properly placed, or do we need to revise it? Do we need to put them in proper placement? So by convention, in game situation, player A, which is the maximizing player, should be a row player, and player B, which is the minimizing player, should be the colon player. So as we have it here now, they are not properly placed. So the first thing to be done here is to place them properly by transposing. That's what we mean by transposing them. So we're going to bring A where it should be and move player B, where it should be by convention. Player B is the minimizing player, it should be the row player. Player A is the maximizing player, it should be the row player. So very simple, very simple. We'll bring it here. One, we have that player B here with all its strategies. So have B1, B2, B3, B4. Then player A should come here. Its two strategies, A1 and A2. So A1, B1 is 53. So A1, B1 is 53. Let me do this. The payoff is 5-3. A1, B2 is 36. A1, B2, 36. So A1, B3 is 31. 31. A1, B4 is 35. Then same for this. A2, B1 is 49. A2, B1, 49. I have A2, B2, 33. I have 33. Of course, 43 here. And 47. So this is the proper placement. We've been able to transform the payoffs, the players, from where they're supposed to be, to place them where they're supposed to be properly. So the next thing here is to show how to use rule of dominance, the dominance rule, to bring the size of the matrix to manageable size, which is ideally should be 2 by 2 matrix. So the player B, that is the minimizing player, that sees these payoffs as cost payoffs, will always go for smaller values at all times because it's seeing it as a cost, as a loss. And player A is seeing these values as profit payoffs, so he will always go for profit payoffs at all the higher values at all times. So what do we do? If we compare A and B, A1 and B2 here, that is 53. So for player B, if we compare 53 and 36, because it's B, B will go for this. If we compare 49 and 33, B will go for this. So in all, B2 is dominating B1. Okay, let's check for player player A1 and A2. If we compare this and this, A will go for 53. This and this, A will go for 36. This and this, A will go for 43. You see that there is no dominance here, because this 43 is higher than this, and even if we check this, 47 is also higher than 35. So there is no dominance between the strategy A1 and A2. So even if you have 5 by 5 matrix or 10 by 10 matrix, the process is the same. So when you have a tie, like for instance, if you have maybe 31 here, and okay, maybe two values are tying here and other values are superior, so we'll also go for the strategy that has the superior values. So if we compare B1 and B3, this and this, B will go for 31, that is smaller. This and this, B will go for 43, that is smaller. So B3 is dominating B1, and B2 is also dominating B1. So what it means is that the B should be eliminated, since we have other strategies that are giving us superior values. So B2 and B3, I'll go for this. B2 and B1, I'll go for this. For here, 33 and 49, I'll go for the smaller value. So B1 should go. Then we'll go again. B2 and B3, this and this, B will go for this, which is smaller. This and this, B will go for 33, which is smaller. So there is no dominance between B2 and B3. Then let's compare B2 and B4. Now this and this, B will go for this. This and this, B will go for 33, which is smaller. So there is no dominance between B2 and B4. Now can we check B3 and B4? B3 and B4, B will go for this and this, B will go for smaller one. B is the minimizing player, he will go for 31. 43 and 47, B will go for 43, which means that B3 is also dominating B4. Check again. For player A1 and A2, if you check 36 and 33, A will go for 36. 31 and 43, A will go for 43, that is A2. So no dominance. Then we'll check for B, which is the minimizing player. 36 and 31, B will go for 31. 33 and 43, B will go for 33. So there is no dominance between B2 and B3, and there is no dominance between A1 and also A2. So the matrix will now turn out to be this. Player B have the surviving strategies to be B2, B3, then player A will have A1, A2. So their surviving pairs will be 36, 31, 33, and 43. So at this point now, can now employ the analytical techniques or the graphical approach to resolve it and find the optimal courses of action for player B and of course player A. Thank you, and see you in our next video.